What if a printer could teach itself to print perfectly, not by magic, but by an imperfect AI guiding it through trial and error? And what if that imperfect guide could cut your failed prints to zero while boosting quality across hundreds of shapes? Welcome to a new way to program robots in the real world. Instead of trusting a perfect oracle, the system treats the LLM as a constrained coach within an evidence-driven loop. Here's the setup. Fused deposition modeling calls for explicit choices, like layer height, infill, nozzle temperature, cooling. The problem isn't just printing, it's meeting a goal: speed, strength, look, or cost across many geometries. Novices lean on defaults or broad AI advice. Experts tune by looking at what happened, diagnosing the failure modes, and changing a few levers. The paper asks, can we scale that expert touch using imperfect AI? The answer, yes, but with a structure. We run a candidate configuration through a toolpath evaluator that returns a score and diagnostics. The LLM reviews those clues, picks a primary issue, and suggests a small set of parameter edits. Those edits are converted into machine-actionable guidance for Bayesian optimization. It's like having a tuning diary that writes itself in plain language, then a robot who can read it and adjust the recipe. Think of it like a chef with a pantry of recipes. The LLM doesn't prescribe the entire dinner. It suggests one or two tiny tweaks: the oven setting, the bake time, and the kitchen runs a quick test. The evaluator watches for stringing, blobbing, delamination, or warping, and the feedback loop keeps changes small, test by test. In tests across 110K parts, this LLM-guided loop found the best configuration on 78% of objects and produced 0 likely-to-fail cases. By contrast, one-shot AI recommendations aren't reliably best and produce about 15% likely-to-fail prints. The punchline is sharp. LLMs shine as constrained decision modules, not as standalone end-to-end solvers. They read the evidence, propose targeted nudges, and let a principled optimizer handle the heavy lifting. That combination yields consistent quality across diverse shapes, not just a lucky single print. If you're building smarter manufacturing robots, this is a map worth following. Follow this channel for deep dives into AI-guided robotics, and hit subscribe to see how imperfect AI can still deliver near-flawless results in the real world.